Hi, this is David Kim with Compass. Welcome to 219 Carmelita Drive in Waverly Park, Mountain View. This stunning modern masterpiece features 6 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. Please come in and enjoy the incredible architecture of this home set on a beautiful 11,000 square foot lot.
The entire home features high ceilings with an abundance of natural light, high quality finishes, gorgeous design elements, and an inspiring floor plan ideal for California indoor-outdoor living. Formal entry opens to a light-filled living room with a statement gas fireplace. 2 bedrooms on the first floor become a private suite by simply closing the barn door, perfect to use as an office or au pair suite for guests. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms, each with ensuite baths, a bonus loft area, and a master suite with a private balcony for your quiet escape. The home's elegant main living spaces consist of a great room, dining area, and a gourmet chef's kitchen. This gorgeous chef's kitchen features Thermador stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, gas 6-burner cooktop, pot filler, walk-in pantry, and a large island with a sink, all of which open to a beautifully landscaped garden through a 14-foot folding glass door for memorable entertaining. The sweeping lawn area is ideal for outdoor play, bocce ball court, fruit trees, spectacular avocado trees, raised planter boxes, and more. A true entertainer's paradise. The spacious patios with multiple entertaining areas, gas fire pit, built-in outdoor barbecue, and expansive countertop prep areas are ideal for a family. This complete smart home features security cameras and an electric vehicle charger. This ideal location is blocks to top schools, grocery stores, parks, shopping, and urban amenities.
Thank you for touring this incredible property today. Again, this is David Kim from Compass.